Don't you remember your first moment that you felt you were part of the team? Well, I do. It was 1980 something. I don't remember the year. It was my cousin, my uncle, and myself watching old television, sitting in the front, and just watching Kirk Gibson come to the plate and hit that ball. It was the most amazing moment. Not because he hit the ball. It's because I have shared it with family. Now, this time in 2024, history repeated itself. Similar injuries, similar batter, pretty much. It's just one of those things that you didn't expect, and it brought tears to myself because I remember sitting in the same area where I was in the living room watching the TV. Even though it was a different TV, it was a different time. It gave me a lot of flashbacks and great memories of when I was a child, hanging around with my cousin and my uncle, enjoying the same moment. Even though they weren't around me during the time, in spirit they were. And it gave me joy. And that's why I'm proud to be a Dodger fan. I've always been a Dodger fan ever since that. Valenzuela, Kirk Gibson, Hershiser, all those memories came back to me, and Tommy Lasorda, which I met him at one of the Boys and Girls Clubs too, and I also got his autograph, and it was a great moment for me to meet all these great players and know about them as a kid. Now, I'm wearing this hat, LA Dodgers World Series hat, all right? And I got this before they even won the championship. It was a fluke how I got it. I never seen a green hat. I thought it was because of Fernando Valenzuela or something. I don't know what the green stands for, to be honest with you, but it was a great option to get. And to see that it had a World Series, it was predictable that they were going to win. So, if you guys can see, beautiful LA Dodger hat. You could adjust it to however you want and wear it proudly this year for 2024, and maybe next year we'll change the color up. We'll do another setup. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.